guys? I hope everyone had a great weekend. So, like I said, it's Friday. I'm doing a recap on the trade that we did Friday. So, I pretty much just announced that I was in the trade. I wasn't really planning on trading Friday, but I saw a nice scalp opportunity, so I scalped it, and then we made about 29k, and it pushed us to 321k for the first week of 2023. So we're still on a winning streak. We're on our fourth winning streak for this year. We haven't lost anything. So we're just doing a quick recap on that trade. It'll be quick, it'll be simple. So like I said, market was going down here. So I traded here actually. I scalped using 1 minute. So let me just show it to you guys. So the sniper was firing red in the 1 minute, the meter was red, and then I saw they started breaking the structure here. In the market, we tested this consolidation area here, this area here. So that's where I entered. As you can see, we broke that area. I entered here, put my stop loss here, caught a nice 3808. It's about 12 pips pretty much. So if you look at my entry here, I got like I started doing the average up. So that's my first entry though, 3818. So if you look at here, 3818, that was my fill because of the spread, but this was my entry point, the break and retest here. And then sniper started firing, and then market started pushing, and then I said that I was gonna enter sales, but I actually didn't get a chance to enter sales because I was busy. I wasn't live when I entered that trade. So I'm glad I didn't enter that because that was a loss. Market pushed and it broke 3890. As you see here, we actually pushed really strong and hit 3908. So that was actually our original take profit on the bull side. If the market started pushing higher, when we broke this area, that was my first target here, but we broke down and then we actually held here. So this is where we took profit. You know, we've been sitting on this I've had this support area for like weeks, and look at that, we actually bounced it perfectly, and then we started bouncing here, and that was my original take profit for the buy side. But now looking into this week's trading session analysis on SPX, we're actually, we held here on the weekly. That's actually a really strong level, but I'd rather see it break above 3908 before we start pushing higher. If it starts breaking 3908, I'm gonna start getting some, let's see it break a retest and hold it all the way to 4,000. We can see 4,000 again for SPX if you break and hold here, because this is a nice breakout in the pennant. So I was expecting this to break below, but it started pushing higher. We actually had heavy news Friday. If you look at Friday, we had this news, this positive news, and PMI was negative. But yeah, since we broke the lower highs, we need to see some type of retracement first, and then like retracement back to like 38,080. I mean 3880, 3876, something like that. And then once we hold there, if we hold there, we're gonna try to push higher. Like I said, I'll wait for it to break 3908. That'll be my key level, 3908. If we break that, that means yeah, we can keep pushing higher. So let's see. We leave this here because we need to retest around this area. There'll be a retest area here. And let's do one for US 30 actually. So US 30, it's pretty much same thing. We had some consolidation area here. We had liquidity here and we finally broke it here. It broke that weekly resistance, did a retest here, and shot straight up and hit 33,700. So if you start breaking this area here, I see US started hitting 34,000 here. So sniper is holding strong and green meter is holding strong in the 4 hours. So we have a strong bullish momentum right now on the US 30, and then SPX, same thing, is firing green. And let's see NAS, because I know a lot of you guys trade NAS as well. So NAS 100, let's see. So it's firing green as well, but we actually have a resistance here, so we do need to break this area here first, 11,090. And then once we break that, we can push higher again all the way to, I like this area here, 11,250. Yeah, 270 area. So that was actually 11,090 was actually one of my targets. Let's see. How do you search? I think I posted it here. Okay, won't let me click the search. But anyway, yeah, that was my original target for NES 100, this area here, and we actually just see that area. So right now, looks like it's actually looking like it's a triple top right here. But this is a nice impulsive wave, so yeah, market definitely needs to do some type of retracement before the next push. On NAS, SPX, retest here, and then push. Same thing with US 30, retest and push. So all of them needs to hold their retest area. If they don't, market's gonna try to, keep pushing down again. Because if you look at their bigger picture, that's still a nice impulsive move right here. So technically we're still retesting. We're still trying to retest from this structure breakout here. This. Alright, that's not straight, but you see what I'm saying right here. We're still trying to retest that area. NAS. If you look at NAS, so this one still got ways to go. That's the retest area here too. We broke the structure. That's the retest area here. US 30. This one actually broke. See that? It got rejected twice. It dropped. And now we finally broken retested, as you can see that it pushed higher. So now we're getting rejected again here. So if we see a hold here, another hold at the breakout, yeah, we'll start looking for buys. But right now, since the market push hard, strong, just wait for it to find another direction. I mean, for the price to consolidate. So SPX. It's a retest here, and that's probably gonna be. We need to see a nice lower highs here to create a nice downtrend. So yeah, market can definitely try to push once we break this. So that's it, guys. And also for BYND actually. So Beyond Meat, I alerted this before the end of December right here. We actually entered a trade until the end of January. So I said there's a short squeeze happening in BYND. So we actually started popping just last week. So we finally broke the structure here after a tight consolidation for a few days, about 3 days. We broke that area. Now it's pushing higher. If you start breaking 14, we should start seeing like 15. With the short squeeze, this thing can just shot up straight to like back to $17 here. So we still have enough time for BYND. We got like 3 weeks left. So that's it, guys. I hope you learned something. Let me know if you have any questions. So like I said, I'm starting the $100 challenge for the forex tomorrow. So it's right here. So I'm starting that tomorrow. So I won't be trading my personal. I'll be focusing on this one. My goal is to hit 10,000 on this one, and then we go from there. Alright guys, thank you.